Just a short segment here to show you that I have wound the strike side spring up onto an old arbor from an old American 8-day clock, and in doing so have it wound up all the way, as you can see, and am making sure that it's holding, and two, that by doing this the center coil is reformed so that it will grip the arbor correctly when it's reassembled. This arbor that I'm using is off of a Sessions or an Ingram clock, and as you can see, the hub was made a little bit differently on this particular clock. The hub has a key slot, and then the click is just a stamped piece of steel with a tab that forms a key that goes in there, and then the grate wheel goes on, and then the tension washer. So this one was able to become a winding arbor very easily for use with the mainspring winder, so I'm not using the actual grate wheels that go with the clock and having them scrape along. This arbor is just slightly smaller in diameter than the actual arbors that go with the clock, just slightly, and as you can see there's a taper on the end there, so I think that will assist with getting the springs back on the arbor and getting them to hook tightly. But as you can see, this is the strike side mainspring, and it is very nicely wound up and coiled up. You can see the time side mainspring here in the background. You can see just how large this spring is. You know, it's kind of deceptive though how big it is. It might not actually be that much larger than a regular 8-day American clock spring. It might be some more gear ratios at work in this movement. But when I have the spring all stretched out while cleaning it, I'll share with you all my estimated length of it. So anyway, Oklahoma Bridges, thanks for watching.